The universe is vast, filled with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets. Statistically, intelligent life should be everywhere. So here's a disturbing question. What if aliens already know we exist and are simply watching us? Today, we explore the science, the theories, and the evidence behind this chilling possibility. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. Most of them have planets. Across the observable universe, there may be more habitable planets than there are grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. Given these astronomical numbers, alien life should be everywhere. We should see signs of it, hear signals, something. Yet, we see nothing. The cosmos is silent. This profound contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox asks a simple, yet unsettling question. If intelligent life is common, where is everybody? There are many potential answers, but one is particularly unsettling. What if advanced civilizations do exist, but they choose not to contact us? What if they're deliberately staying hidden from view, or worse, hiding us from their view? The reasons why could range from benign curiosity to something far more sinister. The thing is, Earth is not a quiet planet. We've been broadcasting our presence into the cosmos for over a century. Our first radio signals, television broadcasts, and powerful radar systems have been leaking into space, traveling outwards at the speed of light. To any civilization with sensitive enough instruments, these signals would be a dead giveaway. Beyond our technology, our planet's atmosphere itself screams life. It's rich in oxygen and contains traces of methane, a combination that on its own strongly suggests biological activity. From a distance, our night side glows with artificial light. We are not hidden. To an advanced civilization, Earth probably looks very, very alive. This leads us to the zoo hypothesis. This theory suggests that aliens are observing us much like we observe animals in a nature preserve or a zoo. They watch, they study, but they follow a strict rule of non-interference. Why? Perhaps they see us as a young, developing civilization, and they don't want to contaminate our natural cultural or technological growth. Or maybe they see young civilizations as unpredictable, even dangerous. In this scenario, we might be protected, or we might be quarantined. The fence of the zoo could be for our safety, or for theirs. But then there's a theory that is far more terrifying, the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a dark forest, and every civilization is a lone hunter, trying to survive. In this forest, you can never know if another hunter is friendly or hostile. Therefore, the safest survival strategy is to stay completely silent and hidden. Revealing your location is like shouting in the dark. It invites predators to find and destroy you before you can destroy them. If this grim reality is true, then any aliens who know we exist are staying silent for a reason. They might be watching, and they might be waiting. In recent years, even our own governments have started acknowledging the existence of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs. These are objects witnessed by trained military pilots and captured on advanced sensors that exhibit flight characteristics beyond any known human technology. They accelerate, turn, and stop in ways that defy our understanding of physics and aerodynamics. Are they alien craft? We don't know. The data is inconclusive. But the fact that these phenomena are real and are being taken seriously at the highest levels raises profound questions about what, or who, might be visiting our skies. So, if they are out there, and they know we're here, why haven't they made contact? The possibilities are endless. Maybe we're just a primitive, like trying to explain quantum physics to an ant. Our thoughts and society might be completely uninteresting to a billion-year-old intelligence. Maybe their methods of communication, though advanced, so different from our own, that we can't even recognize their signals. They could be communicating through neutrinos or gravitational waves, while we're still listening for radio waves. Or maybe, as the other theories suggest, they are observing us silently. They could also be waiting for something, perhaps for us to reach a certain technological or ethical milestone before they reveal themselves. We must remember that contact may not be friendly, and it almost certainly won't be immediate. So, could they be watching us right now? An advanced civilization wouldn't need to send massive starships or land on the White House lawn. They could use technology far beyond our imagination. Think of microscopic, self-replicating AI probes that could be hidden anywhere, observing everything. Or cloaked observation devices in orbit, completely invisible to our telescopes and radar. They wouldn't need to land. They wouldn't need to reveal themselves. The observation could be silent, constant, and permanent. We might be living in a planetary fishbowl, completely unaware of the eyes watching from the other side of the glass. This raises a critical question for humanity's future. What should we do? Some scientists, like the late Stephen Hawking, have warned against actively broadcasting powerful signals into space. They argue it's like shouting in the jungle without knowing what predators are lurking nearby. Other scientists believe that contact is inevitable and we should be proactive in shaping that first conversation. The debate continues in the scientific community. Should we announce our presence to the cosmos with confidence, or should we stay as quiet as we can for as long as we can? If aliens are watching us, what do they see? They would see our wars and our conflicts, but they would also see our art, our music, our curiosity, and our capacity for love and creativity. They would see our fear of the unknown and our relentless drive to explore it. The universe may appear silent and empty, but that silence could be deceiving. It doesn't mean we're alone. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep questioning the unknown, subscribe for more.